Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to fix autocorrect on Android. So guys, if you ever wondered how to fix that issue, first thing is just simply open up your keyboard. So now here I am using a Gboard. So over here, just simply go to the settings, which is tapping the gear icon right over here. And now it will redirect you to the settings tab, and you will have an option over here, corrections and suggestions. And now at the top, you will have an option to turn on and off auto correction while typing, and you will have also auto capitalization, which it will capitalize the first word. And if you scroll down below, you will have other options that you might want to consider. That is a feature on Google as well. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.